Welcome back to TheVidpreneur. In this video, we'll explore 31 innovative voiceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025. Whether you prefer to stay behind the camera or simply want to create engaging content without speaking, this list is packed with creative concepts. Get ready to discover unique ways to captivate your audience and express your creativity without uttering a word. 1. ASMR Cooking. ASMR cooking channels immerse viewers in the soothing sounds of food preparation, from the gentle chopping of vegetables to the sizzling of ingredients in a pan. This sensory experience appeals to those seeking relaxation and mindfulness. Popular techniques include slow cooking, ingredient showcases, and the artful presentation of dishes, creating a truly immersive atmosphere. 2. Time-lapse art creation. Time-lapse art creation channels capture the mesmerizing process of artists transforming blank canvases into stunning masterpieces. Viewers witness the visual evolution of artwork over time, showcasing techniques in painting, sculpting, and digital art. This captivating format not only highlights the artist's skill but also engages audiences with the beauty of creativity unfolding. 3. Nature soundscapes. Nature soundscape channels focus on capturing the soothing sounds of various environments, from tranquil forests to crashing ocean waves and serene mountain breezes. These therapeutic sounds promote relaxation and mindfulness, making them perfect for meditation or unwinding after a long day. Immerse yourself in nature's symphony and enhance your well-being with these calming audio experiences. 4. Silent vlogs. Silent vlogs offer a unique way to convey stories through captivating visuals, allowing viewers to immerse themselves in the narrative without spoken words. This minimalistic approach emphasizes the beauty of everyday moments, encouraging creativity in storytelling through imagery. Experience the power of visuals as they evoke emotions and connect us all. 5. DIY crafting. DIY crafting channels provide engaging voiceless tutorials that guide viewers through step-by-step visual instructions. From paper crafts and home decor to upcycling projects and jewelry making, the variety of showcased crafts inspires hands-on creativity. Dive into these tutorials and unleash your artistic potential while enjoying the satisfying process of creating something unique. 6. Pet adventures. Pet adventure channels capture the cuteness and spontaneity of our furry friends exploring the world without narration. These relatable videos resonate with pet lovers, showcasing the joy and mischief pets bring to everyday life. Viewers are encouraged to share their own pet stories, creating a community of shared experiences and laughter. 7. Visual storytelling. Visual storytelling channels harness the power of imagery to convey deep emotions and narratives without words. By exploring themes like travel, love, and adventure, these channels captivate audiences and evoke feelings through stunning visuals. Viewers are encouraged to unleash their creativity, crafting their own visual narratives that resonate and inspire. 8. Minimalist living. Minimalist living channels beautifully showcase the art of simplicity and organization, illustrating how clutter-free environment can enhance mental clarity. These visually engaging videos inspire viewers to embrace minimalism, highlighting its benefits for overall well-being. Join the movement and discover the joy of decluttering your life for a more peaceful existence. 9. Gardening tips. Voiceless gardening channels offer visually appealing content that showcases vibrant plants and effective gardening techniques. These videos provide seasonal tips and tricks, making it easy for viewers to cultivate their green thumbs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, these inspiring visuals encourage everyone to start their own flourishing gardens. 10. Travel footage. Travel footage channels captivate viewers with stunning visuals of diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes, all without narration. This immersive experience allows audiences to feel as if they are exploring new destinations themselves. By showcasing the beauty of our world, these channels inspire wanderlust and encourage viewers to embark on their own adventures. 11. Fitness demonstrations. Fitness demonstration channels effectively showcase workout routines through clear visual cues, allowing viewers to follow along without voiceovers. From yoga and Pilates to strength training, these channels cater to various fitness styles, making exercise accessible for everyone. Join in, stay active, and discover the joy of movement through engaging visual workouts. 12. Stop-motion animation. Stop-motion animation channels bring creativity to life by capturing a series of still images to create fluid motion without dialogue. This unique process allows storytellers to craft imaginative narratives through meticulous attention to detail. Viewers are encouraged to explore their own creativity and try their hand at creating captivating stop-motion animations. 13. Unboxing experiences. Unboxing experience channels capture the thrill of revealing new products without commentary, allowing viewers to immerse themselves in the excitement. From the latest tech gadgets to trendy toys and beauty products, these videos showcase a variety of categories. Viewers are encouraged to share their own unboxing experiences, fostering a community of enthusiasm. 14. Home decor inspiration. Home decor inspiration channels showcase a variety of styles, from modern minimalism to rustic charm, all through captivating visuals. These channels often feature DIY decor projects and stunning transformations that spark creativity. Viewers are encouraged to personalize their living spaces, turning houses into homes filled with unique character and warmth. 15. Cooking techniques. Cooking technique channels provide a visual feast, showcasing various methods and skills without narration. From sautéing and baking to knife skills and plating, these videos emphasize the importance of visual learning in the kitchen. Viewers are encouraged to experiment with new techniques, fostering confidence and creativity in their culinary adventures. 16. Fashion lookbooks. Fashion lookbook channels creatively showcase various styles and trends without spoken words, allowing viewers to focus on the visual appeal of outfit combinations. These channels highlight the versatility of fashion, inspiring audiences to explore different aesthetics. Viewers are encouraged to express their personal style and experiment with their wardrobe choices confidently. 17. Mindfulness practices. Mindfulness practice channels emphasize the significance of mindfulness for mental health through calming visuals. These channels explore various techniques, including meditation and breathing exercises, guiding viewers toward inner peace. By showcasing serene environments and mindful moments, audiences are encouraged to incorporate mindfulness into their daily lives, enhancing overall well-being and tranquility. 18. Tech reviews. Tech review channels showcase the latest gadgets and technology through engaging visual demonstrations, allowing viewers to see products in action. These reviews highlight features and functionalities, making it easier for audiences to understand complex tech. Viewers are encouraged to stay updated on tech trends, empowering them to make informed purchasing decisions. 19. Cultural showcases. Cultural showcase channels beautifully highlight the richness of cultural diversity through stunning visuals. These channels explore various practices and traditions, offering viewers a glimpse into the lives of people around the world. By fostering appreciation and understanding, audiences are encouraged to learn about different cultures, promoting respect and connection among diverse communities. 20. Fitness challenges. Fitness challenge channels capture the excitement of various workouts without narration, allowing viewers to focus on the action. From high-intensity interval training to endurance challenges, these channels present a range of fitness activities for all levels. Viewers are encouraged to participate, share their progress, and inspire others on their fitness journeys. 21. Home workouts. Home workout channels offer convenient routines that require no spoken words, making it easy for viewers to follow along. These channels showcase various workout styles, including yoga, strength training, and cardio, all designed for home settings. Viewers are encouraged to stay fit and active from the comfort of their own homes. 22. Art tutorials. Art tutorial channels showcase a variety of techniques and styles through engaging visual demonstrations, allowing viewers to learn without spoken instructions. This emphasis on visual learning is crucial in art, as it helps individuals grasp complex concepts. Viewers are encouraged to explore their artistic side and unleash their creativity through these inspiring tutorials. 23. Gardening time-lapses. Gardening time-lapse channels beautifully capture the growth process of plants over time, showcasing nature's cycles without narration. These mesmerizing videos highlight the transformation of seeds into flourishing gardens, emphasizing the beauty and patience involved in gardening. Viewers are encouraged to appreciate this art form and consider starting their own gardening journeys. 24. Travel tips. Travel tip channels offer essential advice for various destinations through engaging visuals, making planning easier for viewers. These channels cover topics like packing efficiently, budgeting wisely, and organizing itineraries, all presented in a visually appealing manner. Viewers are encouraged to travel smarter and more efficiently, enhancing their overall travel experiences. 25. Home renovation. Home renovation channels document the stunning transformation of spaces through various projects, all without spoken words. These visually engaging videos showcase different renovation styles and techniques, inspiring viewers to envision their own home improvements. Audiences are encouraged to take on their own renovation projects, turning their living spaces into personalized havens. 26. Sustainable living. Sustainable living channels emphasize the importance of eco-friendly practices for the health of our planet through engaging visuals. These channels explore various sustainable habits, such as zero waste, composting, and renewable energy solutions. Viewers are encouraged to make conscious choices in their daily lives, contributing to a better future for generations to come. 27. Mindful eating. Mindful eating channels promote the practice of being present during meals through captivating visuals. These channels highlight the benefits of savoring each bite, fostering a deeper connection with food and enhancing overall health. Viewers are encouraged to embrace mindful eating habits, transforming their food experiences into moments of joy and appreciation. 28. Photography tips. Photography tip channels showcase various techniques and styles through compelling visual examples, helping viewers enhance their skills. These channels emphasize the importance of visual storytelling, guiding audiences to capture emotions and narratives through their lenses. Viewers are encouraged to experiment with different approaches, improving their photography and expressing their unique perspectives. 29. Home organization. Home organization channels provide valuable tips for creating tidy living spaces without narration, allowing viewers to focus on the visuals. These channels highlight the benefits of an organized environment, showcasing various techniques and hacks for decluttering. Viewers are encouraged to take action, transforming their homes into serene and functional spaces. 30. Virtual tours. Virtual tour channels offer immersive experiences of fascinating places without spoken words, allowing viewers to explore at their own pace. These channels showcase a variety of locations, including museums, parks, and historical sites, providing a unique glimpse into different cultures and environments. Viewers are encouraged to discover the world from the comfort of home. 31. Creative writing prompts. Creative writing prompt channels inspire viewers with visually engaging prompts that spark imagination and creativity. These channels explore various themes and genres, encouraging writers to experiment with different styles. By providing a wealth of ideas, viewers are motivated to unleash their writing potential and embark on their own storytelling journeys. In this video, we explored 31 innovative voiceless YouTube channel ideas, highlighting the beauty of visual storytelling across various themes. Key takeaways include the importance of creativity and engagement in content creation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to discuss your thoughts on my content. As always, thanks for watching The Vidpreneur and may your channel prosper. Stay blessed.